Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Realme C21y for floating windows. Check that the phone has at least 15% battery before you change settings. Open Settings and update the system and apps from Google Play. Next, go to App Management and enable Auto Start for the apps you want to use in a floating window. Then allow background running permission for those same apps. Finally, ensure screen resolution and display scaling are set to default for best floating. Now enable floating windows on your Realme C21y step by step. Open the recent apps overview by tapping the square or using the navigation gesture. Tap the app icon shown at the top of the app card to reveal options. Choose Open in Floating Window or tap the floating icon that appears. If a permission prompt appears, tap Allow to grant overlay permission. The app will open in a movable floating window on your home screen and inside other apps. Control and customize the floating window to suit your workflow. Drag the top bar to move the floating window anywhere on the screen. Resize it by dragging the bottom right corner until you reach the desired size. Pin the window to keep it visible or tap the X icon to close it when finished. Use the three-dot menu on the window to switch to split screen or to send the window to full screen. To disable floating windows, revoke overlay permission in app settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.